Carbosphere is an eco-friendly technology that captures the carbon dioxide in the surrounding atmosphere. This technology is used to supply electricity converted from the captured carbon to houses. Our goal is to ensure that we could minimize the carbon dioxide which pollutes the air we breathe. This is to mitigate climate change and as well as create a promising future for generations to come. Not only that, our aim is to resolve the issue of the increasing temperature that are caused by global warming. The buildings that we create are not only cost-effective and environmentally safe, but also makes a world that prioritizes public health and promotes an environment.
Alright everyone, what exactly is the problem here? According to Asian Natural Gas and Energy Association, Malaysia recorded a total 44% of coal being used to generate electricity in 2021. Besides that, a study done by researchers in 2015 shows how residential buildings take up to 65% of emissions within the building sector. As Malaysia is facing a climate crisis in which temperatures are rising to abnormal levels and air pollution is more prevalent than ever. A study conducted in 2020 by researchers at Taylor's University stated that numerous cardiovascular and respiratory diseases caused by air pollution contribute enormously to loss of life. According to World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases were the leading cause of death in Malaysia with a mortality rate of 35% in 2017. With that in mind, this will lead to the reduction of public health, substantially reducing the quality of local communities' livelihoods. Which is why Carbosphere exists to put an end to unwanted air pollutants and extremely hot weather.
So, how exactly does the Carbosphere work?
A direct air capture system is installed atop the rooftop to absorb carbon dioxide in the surrounding atmosphere. It will flow the captured carbon into an underground system called the hybrid sodium carbon dioxide. This is based on an experiment done by UNIST's Department of Energy Engineering based in Korea in 2018. In this system, the sodium metal anode is placed in an organic electrolyte, while the cathode is placed in an aqueous solution. The solutions will be separated by a sodium superionic. Afterwards, the carbon dioxide is pumped into the aqueous solution, which reacts with the cathode, turning the solution more acidic, resulting in DC electricity generation. The electricity that is generated will then flow into the battery bank, afterwards into the inverter to convert DC electricity into AC electricity. It will then flow into the distribution board, ready for usage.
There are still many more improvements that could be made to increase efficiency. Nonetheless, the amount of energy generated is more than enough to keep householding running smoothly.
Allow me to take over. Carbosphere shows promising potential as a viable green technology aimed to reduce carbon emissions from residential properties. Here, we are fully optimizing energy consumption, which perfectly aligns with circular economy principles by transforming emissions into useful products. Keep in mind that this project of ours is able to achieve targets set for Sustainable Development Goal number 3, 7, 11, 12, and last but not least 13. This fact shows how incredibly useful Carbosphere is in the long run to meeting Malaysia's influx demand for green residential properties. That being said, the market in Malaysia is rapidly expanding as more occupiers, landlords, and investors are recognizing the importance of sustainability. Additionally, it expands the range of energy sources available for electricity generation. Overall, not only are we promoting renewable energy, but we are also able to keep up with market trends and demands while creating sustainable economic opportunities.
To wrap things up, as we navigate towards a more sustainable future, Carbosphere emerges as an effective way in cutting down the amount of carbon emissions and preventing the occurrence of greenhouse effect. The systems implemented are affordable and sustainable, perfectly aligning with Malaysia's energy goals. Its innovative approach not only reduces carbon emissions, but also efficiently converts captured carbon into electricity, thereby lessening the impact of greenhouse gases on our environment. With its widespread use and high economic viability, Carbosphere stands as a promising solution to free Malaysia's climate from pollution. That's all from us, thank you.